How to connect Square to Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you will have to use this platform. It is called make.com and just search for it on Google. Then open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. After that, this is where it will lead you to. Just sign up using your details, or you can also use your Google account in order to sign up on this platform. It is quite easy. After that, all you have to do is just click on this option of create a new scenario. Wait for it to load, and as soon as it opens up, just simply click on this option of plus. After that, you need to select the applications that you want to integrate. In our case, we want to integrate Wix and Square. So we will just select Square over here, or Wix for that matter. You can select any of the application. So let's select Wix. After that, you need to find the trigger points for which you would be getting triggered, and one app will be triggering the other one. So this way they would be integrated. Now let's select the trigger. Suppose it is the search products. So I'm just taking it as an example. After that, you need to create a connection over here. And for that, you would require app ID, app secret, and all the other stuff. Just put them over here and you would be able to do it. After that, we can add another application, which is Square. So for that, just click on plus, then search for Square over here. And after that, just select Square. And now you need to select another trigger point. Suppose it's about getting orders or search orders for that matter. And it would require some other information like the connection name you can give it, sandbox, and all the other permissions that you would want to give it to. And after that, you would be able to integrate Square and Wix over here. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.